Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to enable true dark mode on iPhone. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that you can do is to long press your home screen and then go to Customize and you will see the dark option. Click on that. And as you can see, all of your apps turned into dark mode. Another thing that you can do is go to accessibility on your settings and go to display and text size, and then scroll all the way down and you will find the reduce white point. So if we're going to turn on our dark mode, and let's turn on this feature, and as you can see, it is more dark now compared to the other one. So if you want to use this to create more dark theme on your iPhone, you can add it to your control center. So just long press your control center and click on add controls and just search for reduce white point. Select this one and there you have it. And then that's it guys. I hope that this video helps you, and if it ever did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.